Hello again. This is our new linear multi-circuit fitting, suitable for most multi-circuit tracks. It's the LIN 917, available in black or white. We've got two versions of this. We've got the prismatic lens and the grille lens. Both use the same driver. It's supplied in two parts. The driver, which you see here, which is actually adjustable between 9 and 17 watts using these dip switches here. Also CCT, 3000, 4000 or 5000K. And then up the other end here we've got the circuit selection, circuit 1, 2 or 3. All of these must be set before you put the driver into the track itself. To insert the driver, you notice most multi-circuit tracks will come with a lip on one side of the track and a flat surface on the other. This driver is designed for this lip here to sit onto the flat side of the track. So you insert the driver into the track once your selections are made, and then you basically screw the two screws into place. One holds the driver in place, the other picks up on the circuit that you've chosen. Once that's done, you can then place your linear into the track, onto the driver itself, like so. And switch the power on, and there you have it. To take the linear out, it's basically just the reverse of that, so turn the power off. Insert the screwdriver at one end. There's a small socket that you push in at either end to take the linear off. Unclip that, so. And then again, if you to place it back in again, on the side there. There you go. And that's the installation.